very pleasant and healthy morning to all. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Dear kids, now in academics, today I'll teach you topic चित्र पहचान कर चित्र के नाम के शुरू में आने वाले अक्षर पर गोला लगाओ. ओके, चित्र पहचानो और उससे रिलेटेड व्यंजन से आपने गोला लगाना है. ओके, so dear kids, open your Hindi workbook and open your page number 48. Okay, so now let's start. First you have to mention the date and day on the top. Okay children, and classwork also. And what is the day today? Today date is 15. And which month is going on? June month. Which year is going on? 2021. And here we will write CW classwork. Okay. Okay, now let's start. First you have to recognize the picture and then circle the correct vyanjan. Okay. So first picture is of टमाटर. फर्स्ट पिक्चर इज ऑफ टमाटर. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट व्यंजन ट से टमाटर. दिस इज नो, दिस इज यस. ट से टमाटर, ट से टमाटर. तो हम इस पे इस अक्षर पर क्या लगाएंगे? गोला लगाएंगे. ट से टमाटर. Okay. Okay, now next picture is of thappa. Next picture is of thappa. थ से थप्पा, थ से थप्पा. Okay, now we will find out व्यंजन थ से थप्पा. This is no, this is ड से डमरू. This is no, this is ढ से ढक्कन. This is yes. ठ से ठप्पा. Next picture is of डमरू. ड से डमरू, ड से डमरू. This is no, this is no, yes. This is ड से डमरू. So dear kids, rest of the worksheet you have to do by yourself. Okay children. Now moving on to second lecture, which is English. So dear kids, open your English book and open your page number 14. Okay. In English today we will learn new alphabet L, L, loin. New alphabet L. Okay. So let's start. This is Mama L and this is Baby L. I repeat, this is Mama L and this is Baby L. L says L. L says L. I repeat, L says L. What is the sound of L? L. What is the sound of L? L. L says L. L. Loin. L, L, loin. L, L, loin. L, L, lollipop. L, lollipop. L, L, lollipop. L, L, ladder. L, L, ladder. L, L, ladder. L, L, lock. L, lock. L, lock. L, L, lamp. L, L, lamp. I repeat, L says L. L says L. L, L, loin. L, L, lollipop. L, lock. L, L, ladder. L, lamp. L, lamp. Clear children? Very good. Keep it up. Now children, we will learn how to write small cursive letter L. Small cursive letter L. So dear kids, open your English workbook, okay, and open your page number 31, okay. Now we will see how to write small cursive letter L, okay. L, loin, L, loin. L, leaf, L, leaf. L, lamp, L, lamp. L, lock. So dear kids, first you have to trace the picture like this. L, lock, okay. L, lock. You have to trace like this, slowly, 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 slowly. Yes. L, lock. L, lock. So in this way you have to trace the picture L, lock, and color it, okay. You have to color the color also. Now let's see formation of small cursive letter L. Okay, so let's start. First we will trace letter L, okay, from the third line. Okay, from the third line, first we will make a slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, go up, slanting line up, slanting line up, touch the red line, turn back, come down in slanting position, touch the blue line, and then make a loop like this. So this is the formation of small cursive letter L. Once again, put your pencil on the third line, blue line, and then you have to draw a slanting line up, slanting line up, slanting line up, touch the red line, turn back, come down in slant position, come down in slant position, touch the blue line and make a loop. Okay, so this is the formation of small cursive letter L. Okay, dear children, once again put your pencil on the third line, and then you have to draw a slanting line up, slanting line up, slanting line up, touch the red line, turn back, come down in slanting position, come down, touch the blue line, and then make a turn like this. This is the formation of small cursive letter L. So this way you have to do tracing of letter L. Okay children, clear? Now children, we will see how to make L on single dot. Okay, so are you ready? So let's start. Put your pencil on the third line and make a slanting line up, slanting line up, slanting line up, touch the red line, turn back, come down in slant position, come down, touch the blue line and make a loop like this. Okay, so this is the small cursive letter L. Okay children, once again, first you have to draw a slanting line up, slanting line up, slanting line up, touch the red line, turn back and make a slanting line, come down in slant position and then make a loop like this. So this is the formation of small cursive letter L. Okay children, so this is your English work. You have to do in neat and clean handwriting. Okay children, bye bye, have a nice day, stay home, stay healthy. And now children, next work is GK work, okay, EVS work. Sorry. So take out your EVS book, okay, and we will learn vegetables name orally. Okay, so let's start. Which picture is this, children? This is brinjal. This is brinjal. And what is the color of brinjal? Purple. Okay. Next, peas. Next, peas. And next picture is of potato. P, per, potato. P, per, potato. And this is lady fingers. This is lady finger. L, L, lady finger. Next, cauliflower. C, C, cauliflower. This is lemon. L, L, lemon. L, L, lemon. Next picture is of bitter gourd. B, B, bitter gourd. Next, ginger. G, J, ginger. O, onion. G, G, garlic. Next, tomato. T, T, tomato. C, K, cucumber. And next, carrot. C, K, carrot. So children, we will learn. Now you have to learn vegetables name. Okay.